Jai Hind everyone, dear students. Today I will teach you first flight, second lesson Nelson Mandela, A Long Walk to Freedom. It is an autobiography of Nelson Mandela. So in this lesson, here the Mandela describe his struggle as well as how he faced different difficult situations of his life. So basic theme of this lesson, the freedom from racism as well as the freedom from inequality in society. So in this lesson, the Mandela described that when the Britishers were ruled in South Africa, then he faced a lot of challenges. They were not free. They were in captives. Their life was not better than sheep and goats. So just he first faced against apartheid and became the world icon. So, the central theme of this lesson is A Long Walk to Freedom is social inequality along with courage and sacrifice to remove from the society. So now come to the topic, Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom. So first is here apartheid. So what is apartheid? Apartheid is a political system that separates people according to their race. Can you say which of the three countries named below had such a political system until very recently? Now North America, South America and Australia. So have you heard of Nelson Mandela? So Mandela and his African National Congress spent a lifetime fighting against apartheid. So apartheid? Apartheid is political system that separates people according to their race. Race means according to their caste, according to their skin, according to their color. That is called apartheid. So Mandela had to spend 30 years in prison. So you can easily guess how he faced difficult challenges in his life. So he spent 30 years in prison. Finally, democratic elections were held in South Africa in 1994 and Mandela became the first black president of new nation. So in this extract from this autobiography, Long Walk to Freedom, Mandela speaks about the historic occasion, the inauguration. Can you guess what the occasion might be? So now check your guesses with news item from BBC of May 1994. So now Mandela becomes South Africa's first black president. So Nelson Mandela has become South Africa's first black president after more than 3 centuries of white rule. In such a time, the Britishers were ruled over the South Africa. Their life was also in captives, slavery. They were not very free, as well as their life was very worst. Their life was not better than sheep and goat. So Mr. Mandela, African National Congress ANC party won 252 of 400 seats in the first democratic elections of South Africa's history. So it was a historical moment in the life of Nelson Mandela, or you can say the red letter day of the South Africa, when he won 252 seats out of 400 in the first time election of South Africa history. So the inauguration ceremony took place in the Union Buildings Amphitheatre in Pretoria today. So here the autobiography, Nelson Mandela describes his history as well as life story. So the ceremony was also going in Pretoria as well as it was the Union Buildings open amphitheatre attended by politicians and dignitaries from more than 140 countries. In such a time, more than 140 countries, politicians were also attended such a grand ceremony. So never again will this beautiful land experience the oppressions of one by another. Oppressions means depressed by the Britishers. So Britishers were also crushed them. They have also taken their rights. They were not totally aware in societies. So said Mandela in this address. So jubilant scenes on the streets of Pretoria followed the ceremony with blacks, whites and colored celebrating together. In such a ceremony, black, white, all other societies people also gathered here. They were also celebrating their jubilant ceremony. There was not a bit of discrimination in such a time. They were also embraced to each other. They got the refreshed air in the fully refreshed environment. That's why it was the historical moment in their life. So more than 1 lakh South African men, women and children of all races sang and danced with joy. Why they were also celebrating with the joy? Because they got their real freedom. Because before it, their rights were also snatched by the Britishers. Britishers also make them worse life. They were also sent in prison when they started to against their rights. So now students, you might meet Nelson Mandela, who became the world icon for his struggle. So the basic theme of this lesson, a good man or a struggle, a man who have also power of the struggle can totally change the society rule and regulation. Now, thank you.